Thank you for joining this quick tutorial on how to sign up for our group page. So first you want to go to our main website, which is yome.yoga, Y-O-M-E, up here you'll see it, .yoga. And here's the full extension if you need to type it in. It's https with a colon / www.yome.yoga. Most of the time you can just type in yome.yoga and just hit enter and it will take you there, or you can search on Google and it usually is found and usually is one of the first pages. But what you want to do is go ahead and enter that, hit enter, and go to your browser and it will show you this first page, which is called our home page. And you can see it because it's highlighted here in green, and that means the first page that you land on is the one that you're going to want to be on. I moved Cheryl's video for the 10-day challenge up here to the top, and you can see a little button I added and it says join our group. Now we're going to click that button, but I also wanted to show you there's a group page button that will take you directly there as well. I kind of want to cover all the bases, so in case there's people can't see the different buttons, they have a couple ways to get there. So I'm going to click join our group, and that should take us to the web page that everybody's on. And this is called our group page. And this is right here, 10-day, 3-minute challenge. And right here you'll see there's a button that says join. That's the one that you want to click on. And you'll get this little window and it says login, and then it says new to this site, sign up. So that's actually what we're going to click on. Now if you were already a member, you could just log in and click the login button and take you back to the previous screen. You can sign up with your Facebook account or with a Google account if you have like Gmail and other things like that. But in this case, I'm going to sign up with my email. And so I'm going to type in my email, and I'm using a different one here. So brandocal@yahoo.com. And then it's going to require you to put in a password. So I'm going to make up a password, make sure you remember this and put it somewhere safe. And then you hit sign up. What you'll see is I've already signed up for this account and it already exists. And the reason I've done this is I'm going to show you what it looks like. Once you hit that sign up, you'll have to wait for what they call approval, and that's either Cheryl or I will approve your account. And when I click off of here, you'll see that you'll get a message that says congrats. Your site member request has been approved. You're now a member of Yome Yoga. To confirm your email, brandocal@yahoo.com, click the link below. So you can click this link here, or just I always just hit confirm your email button. And once you select that, you can then go ahead to the group page, and then I'm going to select the group page, and then I'm going to hit join. But this time, I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my email now that I've been approved. So I'll go ahead and put that in there, brandocal@yahoo.com, and then I'll put in the password that I set, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit log in. And go ahead and save that password if you want to. And the first thing you're going to get is a membership question, and I put this in here to just kind of give yourself a challenge. What are you looking to accomplish by the end of this 10-day challenge? And you can put a better, more positive self or something like that, and just submit that, and that's just kind of your goal that if you want to shoot for. And then now you see it says you joined the 10-day 3-minute challenge, and then go ahead and hit view, and this will give you access to everything that we'll be sharing in this time, in this journey. You'll have a discussion area, you'll have a media area, you can then see which members are actually part of the group, and then it also has a little section here about kind of what this whole 10-day challenge is for. So if I select members, you can see all the different people that are members. You can also choose to follow that member, which is nice because it highlights anything that they post. You'll see the media. We already have a few videos In here, we've got the video 1 and video 2, and then we also have the discussion area. And this is where you'll post anything you want. You can just go ahead and click and share something, and then you can go to write whatever you like to write in here. And then you can also share a picture. You can share a gallery, a video, one of those little dancing GIFs. I put one in there. You can add a file, smiley faces. You can also create a poll, and then you would just hit publish, and then your discussion will show up. There is notifications sent out to everyone about the different posts, but you'll see this is the actual practice video here, and I have that posted below, and this is what you'll be starting with. Anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at fitzsherrill@hotmail.com. Thank you so much for viewing this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy our journey. Thanks for tuning in.